Alright, so we're at Wawa, and I got the big bacon cheese dog. It was like $5. It's nice and beefy, you know. This is a pretty good resemblance of how big my meat is. But let's see if it tastes as good as my meat. I'm gonna sing a little bite of the hot dog. What car?
It just crashed, bro.
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh. So this is
We
burger.
just saw a car crash.
This burger's really good. Any hot dog. Just a little beefy. Did they get out?
What?
Did they get out?
Yeah. It's a girl, obviously. Oh wait, no, it's not. They have the same car as me.
7 out of 10. I can't believe we've had it on video.
I didn't get it on video, but you could hear it.
Yeah.
You could see the car backing up and the glass falling to the floor.